It's all backfiring. If there was someone that was trying to get in the way of a romantic relationship, or if there was someone that was manipulating you, then this is not going to be anymore. Someone was very determined to restrict love from your life. They felt like you were non-deserving of love. Unfortunately, for some of you, this could be a mother or some sort of mother figure. This person presented themselves as someone that was very caring, very kind, very nurturing, but it was all a facade. It was to lure you and to keep you stuck and trapped. They manipulated you with a web of lies and deceit. For some of you, they intentionally try to block your love life because they felt like it wasn't fair that you were gaining attention and love. They felt that they were lacking. They felt empty inside. They could see how abundant you are within, how loving you are. Your loving nature made this person feel unstable, emotionally unstable, because it made them feel that they didn't have the same loving and kind, nurturing qualities that you possess. Because what this person presents to the world or to another person is false. And being faced with you was like being faced with the truth. And it made them uncomfortable. So they felt like to attack you was to try and block love from your life. They wanted you to feel insecure. They wanted you to feel inadequate. They wanted you to feel abandoned, rejected, and overlooked. They wanted you to feel how they feel every day and every time that they see you. This individual is very unstable, and they will be very unstable when they receive the backfire. This person will see many things crumbling when Saturn goes into Aries. People will be taking back their power. People will be awakening to the truth as to who this person is. Some of you are aware of this person's shenanigans, but whoever they manipulated will see the truth and they will not be able to unsee it. Those blockages that they put up in your way in the past are going to be dismantled. Your love will be restored if this individual unfortunately got in the way of a romantic partnership. For some of you, you didn't get the opportunity to date this person. For some of you, I'm hearing that this mother figure scared a person away, or they talked you out of dating someone. Maybe this person was of a different cultural background. Maybe this person had a specific job that they didn't like. There was something different about this connection that you were in or that you wanted to be in that this individual did not like. And for some of you, because of your respect for this individual at the time, you wanted to appease this person. You even went against yourself. You betrayed yourself. Because you felt like, for some of you, you knew this individual longer than a love interest because they were able to manipulate you. They may have told you that this individual that you had an eye on was going to use you, or that they looked like a cheater, or that they will eventually leave you. So you fled the connection instead. Or you sabotaged the actual connection. This person implanted fear into you because they wanted you for themselves. For others of you, this person was so jealous of you and the love that you exude and the love that you attract. And they wanted to dim your light. But whoever they managed to manipulate in the past is waking up. They're waking up from some sort of spell work, some sort of manipulation that they were under. And because this is occurring, either this person is waking up in the now or they will wake up, that is when the backfire is going to begin. This person is going to be receiving karma for what they did to you or the other person that they were controlling. The more you heal, the more you pour love into yourself, will lessen this manipulation. You know, if you decide to play tit for tat with this person, then this individual will keep you in a loop of toxicity, stuckness, and karma. But if you evolve out of this state, if you evolve by pouring into yourself, by shifting your energy, focusing on your goals, on your hobbies, focusing on your self-love, healing on a daily basis, nurturing yourself, connecting with like-minded positive souls, you will break whatever hold this individual had over you, your love life, and whatever person was connected to this situation. If it is you that was in this situation with this individual, the more you connect with others, the more you better yourself, this backfire will start occurring, because this individual wanted you to feel as if they were the only ones that cared about you. They may have isolated you from a lot of people. You know, they had a way with convincing you that no one really cares like they do. And you may have become very self-reliant on this individual. And that's how this person wanted it. They wanted you for themselves. So the more you connect with other people from groups, clubs, organizations, the more you socialize, because I feel like you were isolated, right? Unfortunately, the more you socialize, you'll see what else is out there. This person was not the be all and end all. And you're going to start to realize that. And some of you are starting to realize that. And you're starting to realize that this person is not a vibrational match. Maybe they met you at a time when you were both healing from something. And this person wanted to keep you in that trauma. They wanted you to stay stuck with them because they were unwilling to heal. And now that you are healing, now that you are glowing, now that you are transforming, this is breaking the spell. They want to reconnect with you for some of you. Their energy is still lingering, but you are protected. You have a shield protecting you from this person. Your energy is repelling this person because you are healing. They do not match your frequency. It's like the more they try to penetrate your energy, the more they get rejected. Spirit is blocking them. Spirit is not reopening up this cycle no more. This is a number 9 year. 9s are all about endings. And next year will be a number 1 year, which is about new beginnings. You'll go in towards your new beginning. And this person cannot cope. This situation, this connection, whatever the case, it's come to an end. And this person is stuck. You have jumped into a new timeline and this person is extremely unhappy to the point where they are getting extremely depressed. They are depressed because they have lost power. They are losing power. They kept you trapped and binded, and you're seeing that now. They refuse to have an ending with you. They're trying to come up against spirit and they can't win. You are going to be fine. You are going to be stable. You are going to be happy. And you will connect with others that are loyal. Some of you are going to go into this romantic relationship that this person tried to block from you. And you will settle down with this person. For others of you, this person manipulated you in regards to money. Maybe you had to borrow money from them. And when you wanted to pay them back, they kept rejecting your offer as a means to control you. You will make your own money. Or for some of you, you'll pay this person their money back. Even if they decline your offer. Because you don't want no ties to this individual. You will become more independent as opposed to being codependent. This is how they kept you stuck. They are forced to release you. They're going to be forced to see you rise and climb higher in your power. This is something that they feared. They wanted to keep you small because keeping you small meant that they had more control. They're going to be forced to witness you getting married or hearing about a marriage, and they're going to be stuck in the head, screaming. For some of you, this individual was competing with you for a love interest. Always comparing themselves to you. I'm seeing the image of Snow White and the Wicked Witch saying, mirror, mirror on the wall. This person is going to be yearning for you. Yearning for that control that they once had. Feeling shocked that you finally broken free. This person will realize that you are a changed person. You have evolved, you will evolve, and you will speak up. Some of you will tell this person no more. Or some of you will tell this person that you are in love and you're going towards the person that you love and it's not them. And despite this all, this person will try to still resist these backfires, but they won't be able to hide from them. They're very stubborn. But the more stubborn this individual is, the more backlash they will face. It's come to an end, and this person has to accept it. Whatever power they had in the past is no more. This is a number 9 year. And one of the reasons why this person did what they did to you or to another is because they fear being alone. And number 9 rules the Hermit card. And the Hermit card is about introspection, going within, which means you do have to be alone. And some people are lonely by choice, but this individual will be lonely. And it's going to be their worst nightmare. Spirit's going to put them in time out. And they're going to have to embody that number 9 energy reluctantly. And there'll be nothing that they can do to regain the past control that they once had. It's all going to backfire.